To the dismay of both environmentalists and the American solar industry, Donald Trump imposed a 30% tariff on imported solar panels on Tuesday. The move is expected to eliminate as many as 23,000 domestic manufacturing jobs and raise the cost of residential solar panels by 10%, according to industry insiders. The process to impose this tariff got its start when a pair of solar manufacturing companies requested protection from the U.S. International Trade Commission. They asked for a 32-cent per watt tax on solar panels produced outside the U.S. Trump's tariff, 30% in the first year, then gradually falling to half of that over the next 4, is lower than what the companies requested, but still higher than what the rest of the solar industry expected. Additionally, the first 2.5 gigawatts of imported solar cells will avoid the tariff. Only about 10% of the 382,000 people employed in the U.S. solar industry actually work in manufacturing and will be directly affected by this tariff. However, the import tax could raise the overall cost of a residential installation by 7%, making an industry already working on tight margins outright unprofitable and severely hampering one of America's fastest growing business sectors. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.